Today we'll be using an 11x7 maker's frame from CNC DIY Factory. I'll start by painting the backer board with the crinoline by DIY Paint. I'm painting the frame and the back of the backer board with the Fusion Chestnut Mare. Once that is dry, I'm going over it with the DIY Copper Patina Pennies from Heaven. I'll be decoupaging this tissue paper, the birds, onto the backer board using the DIY liquid patina. I'll apply the liquid patina in sections, misting my paper and smoothing it down as I go. Once that is dry, I'll be stenciling on a design in the upper left corner using the copper patina. I'll be going over top of that stencil using the DIY Shipwrecked finishing wax to give it a little bit of a patinaed look. I'm also using the DIY Shipwrecked finishing wax on the edges of the frame, along with the dark and decrepit dust to give it that vintage patina. To put this frame together, I'm going to be using my frame tacker. This will secure the backer into the frame. And just like that, we have a handmade, beautiful piece of art. For more inspiration and tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel at CNC DIY Factory. This maker's frame can be found on our website at cncdiyfactory.com.